What's happening guys, this is Ayush, you're watching That Tech, and today in this video I'm going to be telling you how to install Windows in your Mac operating system. So if you're using iMacs or MacBooks, you can install Windows in it following some simple steps. And what they are? Let's find out. So the first thing that we have to do here is to download Windows 10 ISO file, and for that I'm gonna jump over to Safari and select Microsoft's official website to get that file. Now I will leave a link in the description below for you guys so that you can quickly go and download that file, which is around 5 GB. Now here you have to select the version of Windows, which is obviously Windows 10, and then we have to select language, which in my case it's gonna be English, and obviously for most of you it's gonna be English. After selecting the language, you have to select between 32-bit or 64-bit operating system depending upon your system. Mine is 64-bit, and mostly for everyone it's going to be 64-bit, and selecting that it will start downloading the file. Now I have already downloaded the file, so I am cancelling it here and we're going to proceed further. Once the file is downloaded, we will open Finder and select applications, and in applications we will select utilities. Inside utilities there is Bootcamp Assistant, which we have to open, and I'll hit continue here. It will empty some space by removing cached iCloud files, thus providing some more storage, which is nice. It will take some time to do so, so we have to wait until it completes the process. Once it is done, you will see this option for the partition of storage, which you can drag and select the amount of storage that you want for the partition. For me, I'm setting it at 40 GB because that is ample for me. You can set it as per your requirement. Also, we have to select the ISO file that we have downloaded earlier and then just click install. Now it will start downloading Windows 10 support software, which will take some time depending upon your internet connection. Once it completes the process, it will ask for the password, and entering it will reboot into Windows mode. And from here you can set up Windows. Once again we will select English as our preferred language, and for the time and currency and keyboard layout you can select it as per a region. Mine is India, so I'll be selecting India, and then we will hit the next button. Now it will ask for Windows product key, which if you have you can write it here, but I think most of you are not gonna have it. That includes me as well, so I'll be selecting I don't have the key, and now I will select Windows 10 Home. You can also select any of them as per your need, but I suggest to go for Windows 10 Home as you will get all sorts of functionalities in it. And then we have to agree to the terms and conditions and hit next button, and it will start installing Windows in your device. Once the installation is done, you will be greeted with Cortana, the virtual voice assistant for Windows, and now we will move further with the setup process. The setup process for Windows is quite lengthy as compared to Mac OS, and the device may boot several times in this process, but there is nothing to worry about. Once the setup is done, we will now allow the Bootcamp installer to install the essential drivers that are necessary for Windows, and then we will hit the finish button and the device will restart for one last time. Once it is done, you can now use Windows operating system in your Mac devices, and in terms of storage, I'm getting around 15.3 GB out of 40 GB. Now the question arises, can you run Mac after installing Windows? And the answer is yes, you can. When you power on the device, simply press and hold the option key, and it will ask you to select the operating system, and you can select either of them as per your requirement. Also, installing Windows won't degrade the performance in either of the OS, which is a good thing, thus giving you power of 2 operating systems in a single Mac device, which is amazing. So there you have it. Just follow these simple steps and you can install Windows in your Mac operating device. If you have any questions or queries, you can drop them in the comment section below, and don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. Do check us out on Instagram, Twitter and Facebook. I will leave all the links in the description below. Till then, this is Ayush signing off. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.